In the mirror, thinking, who's that girl? Does the mirror world go on forever? Call me the road. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video. On my channel, you'll find all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. For this video, I'm going to be taking 3 items in my closet that I have for a long time that I haven't worn in a long time or haven't worn at all. And I'm just going to be doing a revamp. I'm going to be doing DIY projects just to make them look like new items and new clothing basically. It's springtime. I know we're in the house, but I'm super bored. I don't feel like spending money. I don't even have money to spend. Your girl is broke. So after you see the DIY projects, what you're going to see is a lookbook with the items that I revamped, just so you guys can see how I style them and how I would wear them and how they look on. Because sometimes people make DIYs and then you try it at home, put it on, and it looks crazy. So I'm just going to show you guys how I style it and how I would wear the item. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at NichelleSade. I post all my outfit pictures, I post updates, I ask questions for you guys about videos and what videos you want to see. So make sure you're following me on Instagram if you have not done already. We're at 160 subscribers. My goal is 200 right now, 200 plus, let's say that. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button for me so I know that you're watching and so I know to keep making videos. I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, but a giveaway only for subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that red subscribe button like I said, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite look. Okay, you're going to need a razor, some tweezers, and also a pair of scissors. Make sure your scissors are sharp. Mine were so dull. My first DIY is going to be a simple like beach cover up, and you're going to see all we're going to be doing is something simple. You need no supplies, just your hands, and you'll be all set. So let's get right into the first DIY. Okay, so here is what we're starting with, just a simple cover up. So with this shirt, you're literally going to take both sides and tie it. Literally, that's the DIY that is done. Super easy. For this second DIY, it's actually this jacket right here. I'll let you guys be surprised in the video, but for this jacket we're just cropping it and revamping. This is just an old white denim jacket that I got from Forever 21 a long time ago on sale. I never wore it. It just wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't matching my aesthetic. So I'm just gonna be revamping it to just make it look more cool, make it more me. And so it's easy. So let's get right into this next DIY project. Okay, for this next DIY, we're taking this white denim jacket. So first, you just want to straighten out your jacket and get it all even and straight. And so what we're going to do is crop it. Literally, I'm just going to eyeball it because I'm lazy and it doesn't need to be perfect anyways. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut across. Like I said before, make sure you have sharp scissors to cut through the jacket. As you can see, I'm just cutting through this first layer just because it's so thick and my scissors suck. So I'm just going to go layer by layer, as you can see. So now that that's done, I'm just going to go under and cut the bottom half as well.
Okay, now that that's done, we're just going to take our razor and begin to scrape it aside the jean jacket just so you can get a frayed look to it, and just take the razor and just swipe it across back and forth against the denim jacket. And as you can see, it's loosening up the thread so that we can pull it out. This part is the most time consuming, honestly, but just take your time and do as much distressing as you want to your jacket all the way around. Okay, now we're going to take our tweezers and pull at the strings that we created with the razor. And you can pull as many as you want out depending on what look you're going for. I'm not going to do too many because it's just going to take too long, but I'm going to do as much as possible. And this is just going to give it a fringy type of fray look to it and make it look more distressed. I want it to be very effortless looking, so I'm just going to keep going until I get my desired look. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking. Not too much, not too little. I like how much I have like distressed on it and stuff like that. So here we have it, the crop denim jacket.
DIY is a cute little crop top. You guys seen these crop tops all over. It has like the one tie and it's open in the middle basically. So I wanted to just do my own version of it instead of buying a new one. I had this old cover up from the thrift store that I found. I never wore it before. And I don't know. I was like, what can I do with this? And I just kept looking at it and I was like, okay, it has the strings in the front, so I'm just going to cut it and see where it goes from there. In the end, you see I left both of the strings. However, that looked stupid. It looked kind of grandma-ish when I did that. So I cut the bottom strings off and you'll see it in the lookbook.
Okay, so for the last DIY, this is what we're starting with. It's just a beach cover up I got from the thrift store. So for this one, we're literally going to crop it, and this was super thin, so I went through both layers at once, and I'm just going to cut it right underneath that second tie. And I'm just going to eyeball it too because it's kind of have lines on it for me to follow, and it made it super easy to cut an even line. Okay guys, so the sleeves were way too long, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit, and I'm going to eyeball it as well. And just cut straight across there, as you can see. And to make this more easier for the other side, I'm literally going to fold the shirt in half so that we can cut an even line on the other side as well. And then just cut straight across as you did with the first sleeve. And here we have it. The shirt is all done. Like I said, I did cut that bottom string to make the look more better. So that's all of our DIYs for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. They were super easy. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to stay tuned for the lookbook.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me. Hands in the soap, how the pulses running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, now you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever could, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up.
Forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch.
It was beautiful.
I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive, I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a